SearchPath Midwest, a SearchPath HCS company.
Good morning, it's March 7th and this is Stephen Nahez with SearchPath Midwest. We've picked up a very rare position. This is for an early career individual with less than 10 years of experience that's worked on engine or powertrain cooling, also known as front-end module work. You must have a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering degree, and you must have relevant and recent experience working on engine cooling over the last 3 years or so. If you do, email me your resume to midwest@searchpath.com. This position is hot, and they will fill it as soon as they interview the right person. Thanks so much and have a great day.